Let's look at the first rates. Last trading day of the week, if you're looking at the market from the lens of large cap stocks, stable. If you are looking at market from the lens of mid cap stocks, exciting. So nothing large, nothing big. I will just let the screen do all the talking here. There are no, stock movers which we can talk about. The small cap index is up 3% this week. Market breadth is looking perfect. And it is once again back to basics, I guess. But where is Reliance ahead of that AGM which is due next week? That block deal in Ambuja is over, and you want to definitely mark all the Adani group of stocks once again, considering that now it is now evident that a lot of companies will be, for a lot of companies now there would be change in terms of shareholding pattern, cross-holding, debt levels, and also in terms of the promoter commitment.
Right, bunch of other stocks, and let's just dig out that list. There's Wipro, of course, which is now in pact with John Lewis for the firm's IT infra. Look out for that. Bharti has got a GST demand notice. There's Adani Power, wherein the NCLT has approved the resolution plan to buy Lanco Amarkantak for about almost over 4,000 crore rupees. So that's the other stock in focus. There's Poly Medicure as well. 1,000 crore rupees is what they've raised via a QIP. Railtel has bagged a roughly 53 odd crore rupee order. So look out for that as well. Let's see where Nykaa has settled in at post the block deal, and so is the case with Ambuja, and a sizable block deal roughly equating to about almost 3% has transpired there. So a bunch of these names which are going to be in focus as well. Go Digit, we just highlighted. Jefferies has initiated a buy. There's TVS Motors, which has now been upgraded to an overweight by JP Morgan. There's Lemon Tree, which has signed a franchise agreement for another hotel in Shivpuri, so look out for that as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just want to see what an Interglobe Aviation, Indian Hotels, the big buzzers from yesterday are up to. They will just come up for you on your screens next. And Tata Motors M&M, given the fact that they've been lagging off late, let's see whether there is any material rebound coming in on both M&M as well as Tata Motors. Tata Motors definitely up 0.5% in trade right now. M&M is still languishing.
Okay, just taking stock of some of the other big buzzers. Vardhman Textiles is showing quite a bit of price volume action right now. I think it's up 7% the last time I checked. Not sure if I'm missing any news flow there, but the stock is fairly excited. TVS Motors, as we have been highlighting, a JP Morgan upgrade coming in. There's also the UBS note with the target price increase now to 3,200. So that's kept the stock excited. Raymond is another very curious case. Ahead of that entire demerger listing, which is anticipated, the stock was up 7% yesterday. Today it's inching on with a gain of around 5% as well. Nykaa, Ambuja Cements, those large deals have happened, and Street has bought into that dip, so 3% higher on both of them. And Shyam Metallics, after that initiation yesterday, continues to run high.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.